Hi, this is John Owens, owner of John Owens Services. I'm standing in front of an American Standard gas tank water heater. It's simply the best tank water heater made in America today. I will point out a few of the technical features of this water heater. It's a simple water heater and it's very reliable. So above the water heater, we've got our stainless steel cold water supply and a hot water outlet. On every water heater we install, we put in an expansion tank. It is a code requirement. Many people cut corners and they miss this out. Another important feature is the relief piping, the safety relief piping from this water heater. If the pressure or the temperature gets too high, we have to relieve the pressure outside of the house. It's also important when you do this, the code requires that relief pipe runs all the way outside of the home, and many people don't do that, and if the relief valve goes off, it can cause incredible amount of damage in a home. All water heaters have to have a seismic bracing at 2 points on the water heater. When we do an installation, we put in a new gas valve, a drip leg, and a new gas flex. This gas sediment trap gas drip leg is required by code. It will trap any excess moisture and it will trap any excess dirt, and it protects the gas valve on the water heater. This gas valve is pretty unique. The only people on the market today that have this gas valve are American Standard. And this gas valve, it looks no different to that water heater that was standing on your porch 30 years ago. It looks so simple, it's very simple in operation, and it has a standard thermocouple. In 10 years of installing these water heaters, we have never replaced a gas valve. Super reliable, super easy to work on. They're not complex at all. This water heater is also rated, it's explosion resistant, it's rated to be in a garage. Another great feature of these water heaters is when you flush them, you can truly flush this water heater. It has a dip tube in the cold water, which is called a swirl scale removal system, and it actually scours the bottom and lifts the sediment. And this water heater also has a full diameter brass drain. So when we go to flush this water heater, we truly can get the sediment lifted up from the bottom of the water heater, and we can remove it. With good maintenance, a 12-year warranty version of this water heater should last 15 to 20 years. The other thing that we generally install with most of our water heaters, which is a code requirement, we will put a safety pan under the water heater so that we don't ever damage any wood surfaces in a house. If you have any questions, give us a call at 855-456-2906 or email us at johnowenservices@gmail.com.